When I was a kid, I actually did enjoy baking simple treats, but I just wanted to throw it all in one bowl Betty Crocker style. In our household, though, all we had were Martha Stewart cookbooks. Well, one year for my birthday, I wanted to bring homemade cupcakes to share with my class. So I got out the ingredients and tried to follow directions the best my little brain could, and these ended up being the fluffiest cupcakes I'd ever seen. So I frosted them up and passed them around to my class. Well, people started quickly spitting them out. Turns out, I swapped teaspoon with a tablespoon of baking soda, which made my cupcakes the bitterest things I had ever tasted.